Today we're going to show you how to find the length of a list in Python. So if you have a Python list or array, basically an array, but in Python you call it a list, and you want to find out how long that list is, this is pretty easy. Now, you basically just call len. There's a function called len. You just say len and specify the list that you want to find the size of, and it's going to show you the size. So I'm going to show you how to do this with the Python interpreter, just directly from the interpreter. And if you want to use a script, it's going to work almost the exact same way. Python 3, let's just launch the interpreter. And the only difference is that you don't have to say print when you're using the interpreter. We'll show you how to use print anyways. In your script, you're going to have to say print. You can't just put the value there and have it print out. So any case, let's say if we have and if you want to see this document on the right side, check the link in the description. We have a link to my document right here on my webpage right here, so you can check that out if you want. We have a bunch of other useful stuff on there you might want to check out. But any case, so create an array like this. We have A equals, and here's our definition of our array or list, having the values turtle, frog, boat, and apple, just random strings we threw in there. So if you want to print this out, you can say A, and it just prints it out right there. Now if you want, you can't do that. If you want to print that out from from a script, you'd have to say print A, right? Same values, right? But that's what you do from a script. Now if you want to find the length of A, you can just say len A to get the length of our list here. So you say enter, and it tells us 4, and that's correct. We have 4 elements in this list. We have 1, 2, 3, 4. So there you go. 4 elements. Len tells us 4. It returns 4. So you could yeah. All right. So you could just save this into a variable. Like let's say you save this into the variable x, right? So save it into the variable x and print out the value of x, and there you go. There's your length. So it also returns the value, right? So anyways, not super exciting. We can say print len A. So you can just directly print it. If you just wanted to print it out for debugging purposes inside your script, you can't just say len A. You'd have to either assign it to a variable or print it right out like this. So you can print it like this, and there you go. So, if you're doing this in your script, just to find out, just use this syntax right here. And that's about it. Yeah, so hopefully you found this useful. Real quick video. So, you might want to give us a thumbs up. Probably going to want to subscribe. We have a ton of other more interesting content. We're doing a lot of quick, easy Python videos like this, but we're going to do a lot more complicated ones like about threading and, running web services and other more interesting stuff too. We have a good mix of stuff we're trying to put together, and we do a lot of other stuff. We're doing code, we're doing servers, we're doing hardware, software, 3D printers, electronics, Raspberry Pis, all sorts of interesting tech stuff, networking, all sorts of great stuff. So you're going to want to stay tuned for that. Probably hit the subscribe button, and if you also hit the bell icon in addition to the subscribe button, it's going to alert you when we come out with new videos. So if we come out with a new video, it's going to actually let you know. Otherwise, there's a good chance YouTube might not even let you know. That said, anyways, leave a comment down below if you know something I don't know, or you have any questions, comments, criticisms. Just leave a comment down below. I want to know what you're thinking, and I want to know what you guys have to say. So just leave a comment. But that said, as always, thanks for watching, and we'll see you guys next time.